ìwé kíkọ́ láìsí ọkọ́ àti àdá kò ì pé o, kò ì pé o.
Kí lélẹ̀?
Iresi.
Iresi. Good job. Yay. What's up, everybody? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio, your favorite Nigerian American on YouTube. I hope that you guys are doing well. So today, I am with my daughters and I want to do a special content with them for you guys. So, one of my mission is to teach my daughters how to speak Yoruba. This hasn't been easy in a place like Lagos because a lot of people speak English or Pidgin English. So, and also we're not in an environment where a lot of people are speaking Yoruba in general. And then schools also, a lot of international schools in Lagos also do not speak Yoruba. Today, I want to just take you guys on a journey of me trying to teach them Yoruba. So we've had tutors sometimes, and also I try to do the best that I can. So one of the things that I've been doing is starting with just like identification of objects. So one fun thing that we usually do is a game that I like to play with them. And this game that I like to play is called Kilele. Shall we ready?
Yeah.
Alright. So this is simply just identification of objects. So I picked a few objects around the house and I'm going to show them. And we're going to go back and forth, okay? So my word, but yeah, more it's in my showing, but yeah, I want to okay? Shall we ready?
Yeah.
Alright. So ele ta kọ́kọ́ lele. Bóyá màá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìwọ.
Okay.
Màá bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìwọ. Kí lele?
Ìwé.
Ìwé. Okay. Adúpẹ́ ìwọ. Kí lele?
Kékeré.
Kò ń ṣe kékeré o. Kí lele?
Kọ́kọ́rọ́.
Kọ́kọ́rọ́. Good job. Yeah. Okay. Fún ìwọ jẹ́ kí n mú nǹkan wá.
Okay.
Abiola kí lele?
Omi.
Omi. All right. Adúpẹ́ kí lele?
Bàtà.
Bàtà. All right. And again, guys, I just try to identify different things around the house and teach them. So, Adúpẹ́ kí lele?
Chibi.
Shibi. Okay, good job. Abiola kí lele?
Ẹyin.
Eh?
Ẹyin.
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 Ẹyin. All right. Good job.
Ẹyin is for cup.
Yes, that's right. So this is Adúpẹ́ kí lele?
Iresi.
Iresi. Good job. Yay! You guys are doing so good. Ẹ ń ṣe dáadáa. Okay. Ẹ jẹ́ n lọ mú nǹkan mi wá. Mo ń bọ̀, okay?
Okay.
So, but kí n tó lọ mú nǹkan mi wá, kí ni school ní Yorùbá?
Ilé-ìwé.
Ilé-ìwé. Okay. All right. Mo ń bọ̀. I bought these from the farm, from our plantain farm. So, Adúpẹ́ kí lélẹ́yìí?
Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀.
Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀. Good job. Yay, alrighty. Good job. Okay.
Put it around your hand.
All right. This one. Bam. Okay. Kí lélẹ́yìí ní Yorùbá? Kí lélẹ́yìí?
Ọwọ́.
Ọwọ́. Good job. Abiola kí lélẹ́yìí?
Ẹsẹ̀.
Ẹsẹ̀. Okay. Kí ni eléyìí ṣó rántí?
Ṣé ẹrẹ̀?
Kò ń ṣe.
Irun.
Irun. Good job. All right. So, Adúpẹ́ ìwọ ló máa ń sá eléyìí. Ṣé orí eléyìí? Pàǹtì ní English. Kí ni eléyìí ní Yorùbá? Ṣòkòtò. All right. High five. Okay. So, those are some of the ways that I play with them. So again, I try to make it as fun as possible. So number one is just identifying just things around the house. And sometimes they're not necessarily objects. There's like phrases that I'm teaching them. Like for example, Abiola, kí ni room ní Yorùbá? Adúpẹ́, kí ni room ní Yorùbá? Ṣé o rántí? Tí o bá rántí, ṣé o rántí? Kí ni room ní Yorùbá? Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú yà.
Yàrá.
Yàrá, all right. You're so smart. Okay, kí ni eléyìí ní Yorùbá? Kí ni light ní Yorùbá? Ṣé rántí? Ìwọ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ṣé ìwọ rántí? Kí ni eléyìí ní Yorùbá? Iná. All right. Iná. Good job. Kí ni eléyìí ní Yorùbá? Ṣé rántí? Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú I. Ilẹ̀kùn. Good job. All right. So those are some of the things that we practice, and then we also integrate a lot of songs, right? Orin wo lete mo. So we know, like, we watch So Kids TV, which is a popular Yoruba channel. We watch Yoruba for Kids. We watch all types of channels. But Orin wo ni and they know a few songs. Do you know which song?
Ìwé kíkọ́ láìsí ọkọ́ àti àdá kò ì pé o. Iṣẹ́ àgbẹ̀ iṣẹ́ ilé wa ẹni kò ṣiṣẹ́ a máa jalè. Ìwé kíkọ́.
So ìyẹn ti dá báyẹn. So ṣe rántí orin Igi Òróǹbó.
Àbẹ̀ igi òróǹbó.
Ẹ fi kọ́kọ́rọ́ mi sílẹ̀. Ó yẹ kọ́.
Àbẹ̀ igi òróǹbó. Iṣẹ́ la ṣe ṣeré wa. Inú
ara wa yá.
Lábẹ́ igi òróǹbó.
Òróǹbó. Okay, so Amashele. So we are going to learn to count. Well, we've already learned how to count at least from 1 to 10. This one knows 1 to 5 so far. She knows up to 20, maybe even like 30, because we are learning maybe 20. All right, so Adupe, Iwa maka 1 to 5 ní Yoruba. Shoti ready?
Yes.
Oyaka. Ọ̀kan. Méjì. Mẹ́ta. Mẹ́rin. Márùn. Yay! Good job. Oya, ìwọ ká láti 5 dé 15. Shoti ready? Try.
Ọ̀kan. No. Márùn. Mẹ́fà. Méje. Mẹ́jọ. Mẹ́sàn. Mẹ́wàá. Ọ̀kànlá. Méjìlá. Mẹ́tàlá. Mẹ́rìnlá. Márùndínlógún. Márùn-ún dín ní o. Mẹ́rìndínlógún. Mẹ́tàdínlógún. Kí ni? Méjìdínlógún. Ọ̀kàndínlógún. Ogún. All right, yay! Good job. All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Say bye bye. Ẹ sọ pé kí ni báyìí ní Yorùbá? Ó dàbọ̀.
Ó dàbọ̀. A máa rí yín next time. Bàbá ṣùtì. That's right. Ó dàbọ̀, guys. Bye bye. Thank you guys so much. Remember, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.
Remember to rise and let your light shine bright.